don't know if I should do an intro too. Oh, it looks so good behind me too. Nice. My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona. And today I'm going to show you what's in the sack lunch at Phantom Ranch. This is the lunch that you can pick up starting, currently it's starting at 5 a.m., but when they go back to the normal time, it's going to be starting at 3 a.m. Arizona Standard Time. So, anyways, let me go ahead and show you what's in this. First thing you get, bagel. Looks good. Pretty good size too. Along with the bagel, cream cheese spread and strawberry jam I thought I saw in here. Nice, huh? Seriously, look at it. Look at the sunset. That's crazy. Next thing that you get are just some nuts. Apparently you get everything that's in their snack section at Phantom Ranch. So if you just wanted to buy it a la carte, it's more expensive. But if you buy the sack lunch, it comes with everything in the snacks section at Phantom Ranch. So sorry about the hair situation. I've been hiking for 2 days. Okay, we're doing this live. Peanuts, beef jerky stick, beef snack stick, made right here. Clements, made right here at the bottom of the Grand Canyon. That seems unlikely. Next thing you get are craisins, dried cranberries. Next thing is an apple, nice and fresh. I'm tired too. Sorry, this is going to be a quick video, okay? A Huppy Bar, apple raisin cinnamon. Deliciously dense nut and seed bar. Looks nice. You get some Vitalite electrolyte mix, which is kind of fun. And finally, you get a Baby Bell circle of cheese, basically. Little wrapped cheese. So that's nice. And that's it. So that's all, everything in the bag. Anyway, thank you all for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to join me on my other videos where I talk about Grand Canyon hiking tips and trips. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below, or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.